All right, we are going to do a quick little fish video, and I'm going to give you guys a tip for grilling fish that you can use at home today. That's a chili dog right there, y'all. We have the Monument Eminence E605 grill heating up, and I've got some beautiful little flounder fillets here. I'm going to show you how I doctor these up and show you how to cook them. In the same way we cook these, you can cook your fish at home and it will be perfect every time you grill. The first thing I like to do is take a little olive oil and spray it on the fish. You can use olive oil flavored cooking spray as well, like Pam or something. But this works great. I just got a little sprayer with some olive oil in it, and we like to use Old Bay seasoning here. So go ahead and get you a good coating of that on there. This can be a little spicy, so if you don't like it too spicy, take it easy on it. It's not super spicy, but it's a really good flavor for any kind of fish or crab type dish. This is real basic, real simple stuff. Just get a good coating of that on those fillets. Now let's flip them over and do the other side. Another little coating of olive oil on there. And hit them with our Old Bay. Tell you what, fish on a grill is something that you can enjoy pretty much any night of the week. It is a really fast cook. So if the whole thing start to finish might take 20-30 minutes tops, including heating the grill up. We had a massive chicken wing cook on this grill last, so I need to go ahead and clean these grates off right quick. Tell you what, hitting them with that cast iron seasoning before we started to cook on these big stainless steel grates really did a good job making them non-stick. We still got to get some of that gunk off there before we drop our fish on. Get it screaming hot and brush that stuff right off of there. And we have our grill set up good and hot, over 600 degrees. That's going to give us really good grill marks and that initial sear we need on that fish. So one of the first tips is get those grates good and hot. Now this is smoking because all that chicken stuff from last night's on there. So get it good and hot, get your fillets on there. If you don't have a good sizzle like that, it ain't hot enough. Some of these fillets are thinner than others. Those you got to watch pretty close. The biggest tip for cooking fish is coming right up here. Slap these dudes on there. There we go. Give those just a minute. When I said give those things just a minute, I meant it. As soon as you see the edges of these fillets start to turn white, you need to flip them. Flipping fish early is a big key to success in grilling fish. Otherwise, it will just fall apart on you. So get the grill really hot, get her flipped early, and that is the biggest secret in the world to perfectly grilled fish. Look at those grates, man. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. And this takes no time at all to cook. Y'all, look at that fish right there. Look at how good that stuff cooks. Literally less than 5 minutes on the grill, those fillets are going to be ready. Now, I guarantee you it hasn't been not even a minute and a half since the flip. I know these skinny ones are ready, so we're going to get those off first. Just absolutely beautiful flounder fillets. You guys might have seen us catch these on some of the fishing videos here on the channel. Put a link to one of those up there in the cards. Look at that plate of fish, y'all. If that ain't perfect, I don't know what is. And look at the grill. Hardly any sticking at all. That's the Monument Eminence E605 for you right there. So give me that thumbs up like button for perfectly grilled fish on the Monument Eminence E605. And leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite fish to cook on the grill is. We got a whole series of cooks on this great grill, including the main review video. I'll leave a link to them up there in the cards too. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss videos like this one when they come out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It is time to eat.